Food manufacturers in search of a robotically automated food packaging system often prefer a system that incorporates parallel link or delta-style robots, such as the robot seen in this video. The Fanuc M3IA 6S robot is a 4-axis robot ideal for food handling operations because of its high speed, accuracy, and ability to handle primary and packaged foods safely. All of these quality features are displayed by the system seen here. Developed by Fanuc Robotics' authorized integrator Flexicell, this system includes two Fanuc M3IA 6S 4-axis robots, as they use conventional line tracking and Fanuc Robotics Pick Tool application software to locate bags of frozen fruit on a conveyor and case pack the bags. The Pick Tool software is programmed so that the first M3IA robot picks every other bag, leaving alternating bags for the second robot to process. The first M3IA robot also fills the lower half of the case, while the second robot packs the precise count needed to fill the case. Each robot is equipped with single-part grippers with a tilting actuator. Fanuc Robotics' authorized integrator Flexicell are experts in automated case packing systems for a variety of food and beverage products, including cans, baked goods, bags, or pouches, such as the ones seen in this video, and much more. To learn more, please visit their website at www.flexicell.com/packing.